Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Finally, I've been wanting to share this video with you for a couple weeks now, but I just haven't had the time. Crazy busy. Crazy busy. But anyways, everybody is doing these super cute Pokey tools and I had to get on that train as well and do them. So, I followed the tutorial, but it's super simple. You can just look at it and know how to do it because they're super easy to make and super cute. Anna did a tutorial and I will link her video down below. And then I think like the next day or two, I seen another video of somebody showing theirs and I believe it was strawberry cream. And they just came out so cute. I love them. They're super cute. Awesome to give as gifts because, you know, I have my Pokey tool, but I just never can find it. It gets buried. So it's always good to have extra. So I'm going to show you guys what I used. I used, you know, we have these bubblegum beads from, what is it, Hobby Lobby. They're about $10.99. They go half off every other week. Y'all know, I'm sure you guys have this in your stash, and this is a great way to use them. So I just use some of these beads, and then also, I believe Anna in her video, she got her little Pokey tool from Amazon, but I think hers were for barbecuing, I think. But yeah, go watch her video. I think she shares with you where she got hers from, but they're a little bit just, the hoop on the top is a lot bigger. But go check out her video. I will link it down below. And so I used these, and then I also used these from Hobby Lobby. They are called Scribe Pins, and there's only 2 pieces in here. And they're normally $2.99, but I think they're half off as well every other week at Hobby Lobby. If you guys are, you know, Hobby Lobby fanatics, you guys know that every other week things rotate and go on sale. So I purchased these, and they normally have like 2 in stock every time I go. So every time I go, I just buy them out because they don't have a lot of these in stock all the time. So this is basically what I used. Then that's what it looks like. It's just like a long metal pin with the hoop on the top, and that's the tip of it. And then what I used for, I don't know, for some reason, the ones that I have been buying, I mean, they come with these little things at the bottom. Sorry, I don't know if you, it comes with these little things at the bottom, but mine's have been coming broken. So what I did is I had these here. These are earring backs, and I just use these for the ends of it so you don't poke yourself. So I don't remember where I got these from, but these are the earring backs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Let me just put these aside, and I can show you what mine's turned out to look like. So let's see. I made a few different types. So I made this one, and this is using the bubblegum beads from Hobby Lobby in the pack that I just showed you. And then all I did was dangle this bow. Look how cute. So basically you can do anything. You can dangle, make charms, dangling charms or whatever. And that's what that one looks like. And then I also did this one, but this one I just glued at the top on both sides so that there's, no matter how you use it, there's a bow at the top. Isn't this yummy? This looks like candy. So when you use it this way, it has a pink bow, and then on that side it's the white bow. So it doesn't have like a little dangly like most of them do. So there's that one. And then I also created this one here. And this one I just added a heartbeat at the top. And I have these bows here, this smaller cute bow from Amazon, or not Amazon, AliExpress. And all I did was use E6000 and put this right here on the back of it. So and it's pretty sturdy. It stays. I left this bow overnight. So there's that one, but I also made, because I'm going to gift these, so I have this, and then I also have a matching like keychain dangle here, and it's like a stretchy one, and I used the same beads as I did here, and then just added this bigger bow from Allie, and look at how cute. So this is a set that I'm going to gift. Super cute. There's that. And then I also, gosh, these colors, they're just so yummy. So yummy. Is this set right here using the beads from Hobby Lobby. And this one I put a gold heart at the top. And have this little coordinating dangle bow here. And this one as well, I made a little dangle, but this one is a Hello Kitty one. Look at how cute. And this one is a stretchy one as well. So these are the only two like keychain dangle that I did. So cute. And this little Hello Kitty thing, I believe I've had it for a long time. I think I got this from AliExpress, but I also E6000 this on the backing as well. So that's a coordinating one. Came out super cute. Love it. Okay, there's that one. And then this one, I love this one. It's so cute. Look, I used these beads here, the alpha beads, and I put crafty. And then these are the bubblegum beads from Hobby Lobby. And then for the dangle, I have Miss Kitty here. And I also got her from, I want to say, where did I get you from? AliExpress as well. AliExpress has a lot of these Hello Kitty charms. So isn't that so cute? I love it. And it's such a big difference from holding like a big beaded one than like a smaller. It just feels really different. So there's that one. Scoot these over. And I had to use my Hello Kitty beads now. I've hauled these a while back, I think last summer. Let me see if I can find it out. And I showed this in one of my videos a long time ago, but I purchased these Hello Kitty beads from Amazon. And there's like a lot in here, you guys. Somebody was asking on my last video for the price. There's not a lot of beads, but there actually is. So I think it's worth it. So I forgot that I use these beads as well. So Amazon, go check it out. I think I have a video of these. But I want to show you this one. Look at how stinking cute, you guys. Look at, and I didn't glue down a lot of these beads here. I used the E6000, but with these small little Hello Kitty heads and the hearts, I did not glue it down. Maybe like the top and the bottom. But look at how stinking cute. So the Hello Kitty heads move. Sorry for my nails. They're so disgusting. This one, I forgot what happened. But it's so gross. Look at that. But anyways, focus, Marissa, focus. Look at how cute. And these little heart beads also are from Amazon. So all these beads here are from Amazon. And then I have this little faceted heart that I got from AliExpress. So I got this from AliExpress too, and I have it just coordinating with it. Look at how yummy that looks. So super cute. And last but not least, I did one more, and this one is for me. I'm keeping this one. And I think it came out so cute. Look at, so this is a more muted Hello Kitty one. I used the same beads from Amazon, which are these. And I use my beads that I got from my last trip to downtown LA when I went to the bead factory. So here's what it looks like up close if it's going to focus. Look at how pretty, isn't it? So this one, I'm keeping this one. This is so cute. I love it. And this little stopper here comes with the pen, but I just put it there because I glued like the bottom and the top, so it wouldn't slide down. So I just have this there to secure it for now, and then I'm taking it off. But look, isn't that cute? And then I also have the coordinating heart dangling from there. And I'm keeping this one. It's so cute. I love it. And I love the way it just fits in my hand. So these right here are my Pokey tools. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thank you for all my new subscribers. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.